Welcome friends, welcome back to Perfectly Imperfect Gardening with me, Tanya. As you can see, I got some goodies in the mail, and amongst them goodies, I got this. So I have another unboxing for you guys. This is going to be fruit tree unboxing number 2. So when I get down to my office, I will be opening it, and if you're interested in that, come along y'all, come on, follow me. Let's go. I'm so proud to see y'all. So let's get this thing going. In the mail I received this package here. It feel like cutting, so I got this little set up. And I got this package here that feels like seeds. The reason why I don't know what's inside of these packages is because I ordered a lot of stuff at one time and they're coming from different places. You see, the package is not labeled, so I don't know what they are until I open them. And I'm opening them together with you. So let's see what it is. I've ordered mostly fruit trees, but some things, like I think 1 or 2 things was not a fruit tree. And some seeds too. To see what these are. First, let me open this. Hold on. Thank you for buying from CZ Grain. We hope you enjoy these trees for many years to come. These easy to grow willow and poplars can be planted right away if necessary. It's highly recommended planting these trees in a cup or basket of water, about 3 inches deep, for at least 18 hours. These trees can grow in a cup of water on a windowsill or outdoor in the weather is not freezing for a few weeks. Leaving them in water and partial light makes them grow vigorously, and it is very favorable to do before planting in pots or in the ground. Yes, on my baby plants, I don't like to use Miracle-Gro because of how strong the nitrogen in them could be, and it can burn baby roots. So I don't use fertilizer like that on my starters. I like to use starter mix. And this is what I got in here. For the seeds, I think I have, because this package is so thin, it has to be seeds. I know I had cuttings, and the filling of this, I knew it had to be cuttings. So this right here, cuttings, came from CZ Grain. G-R-A-I-N. That's what I had these cups of water. That's what I'm going to be doing the cups of water for. Check that out. Got the wet paper towel around it. Let's get that. Woo. Check that out. Look like it already got roots starting. That's the big one. I think this one here is the one flame willow tree. It's in vibrant orange and red color. It's the one flame willow tree right here, cutting. First, I'm going to put the water in. It's recommended to put at least 3 inches of water in here. That's like as long as your pinky. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. Like my pinky is perfectly 3 inches. So I put up to that, and that's like half this glass. Yep, about half the glass full of water. Have my water right here. Fill this up 3 inches. Let's fill up 3 inches. perfecto. And all you have to do, you want to make sure your cuttings are pointing upward. You don't want the roots to be growing upside down. Your tree be upside down. It ain't gonna work that way. It ain't gonna grow that way. So you want to make sure it's pointed. The grow buds are pointed up. So let me show you guys how to know it's pointed up or not. You see on here? See how that's pointed upwards? How it would be on a tree? See how it look wrong when it's upside down? Hope y'all see it. I can't see that far, so I'm hoping y'all can see. So well up in here, it be the node. You want to make sure it's pointing up. See where it's sticking up the way it would be on a tree. You turn it upside down, and the roots start coming to stick it in the water, so I can get some roots. See on this type, the polar, I got two polar somewhere on there. Hopefully you can see one. It's upwards. That's the way. If it's pointing downwards, see how that's pointing towards the ground, wherever it's at. Oh, right here. Pointing towards the ground. Let me want to make sure it's up. With that being said, make sure to just stick it in some water. Within a couple days, you should start seeing little white streams coming out. Those are the roots. And you should start seeing some leaves coming out of there. Put them inside on your windowsill where it's nice and warm. Especially if it's cold outside. If it's hot outside and you can put it in a dim place, you can do that also. But I'm just gonna put them out right here on my stand in front of my window right here. Try to put a picture, insert a picture of them so that you could be able to see which one it is. So this is the willow. Here comes a picture of it. And these are the polars, P-O-P-L-A-R. And here's a picture of them. Let's get to the seeds, because I was so anxious on what seeds these are, because I forgot what seeds I ordered. To tell you the truth, let me open this up. Thank you something. Oh, the teddy bear sunflowers. I got 20 seeds. Say thank you for purchasing from CZ Grain. Same place, that's why I came today. Or came today. CZ Grain. We hope you enjoy your sunflowers. These beautiful plants are fun and easy to grow. Seeds are very easy. Got some starter mix. I picked starter mix because it's a lot lighter, fluffier, and the water drain off, and the roots can, easily flow through. You don't have to fight with a whole lot of bark and other things and getting clumped up and stuff. Oh, they are tiny, itty bitty little, tiny. I'm gonna put them down twice the length of the seed. That's it. Just push it down in there. I got 20 seeds. One in each one. It's already wet. Make sure they gave me all my seeds. 23, 24, 25 on the dot. They gave me 25 extra seeds. And the rest of these I will fill with something else. Now, I put it there. The only time I'm gonna change the water if it get cloudy, get like algae, because you know anything in water is gonna get algae. So if it get milky, cloudy, something like that, then I change the water. Other than that, I just gonna leave it alone and let it do what it do. I'm gonna set these up here for now, but I'm gonna put these in the greenhouse tomorrow. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you to all my supporters. And also, guys, if it's something that I haven't mentioned or haven't said and you think it's important for everyone else to know, leave it in the comments. Leave all that good advice in the comments. That way, everybody could know anything if I had left it out. And it's very much appreciated. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you later.